Yeah, it's Calvin J here. We got a video today on the fuel pump, 2016 R1. I was trying to take it apart, figure out what's going on. I took it off. This was all gunked up. It was worse. I'll put clips in the video of how it actually looked when I first took it off and looked at it. But when I was doing that, my stupid ass dropped the pump, and I put it all together with a clean filter, and the bike would start and die a few seconds later. So I figured I screwed the pump up when I dropped it. So I got it here. I ordered a fuel pump from Quantum Fuel Systems. Came with a nice new pad. This clip comes off. This doesn't stay. I did a wire upgrade, I'll call it myself, because the wires that come on the pump are pretty thin, if you ask me. I don't know where the power wire is. I got the ground in my hand. Excuse my toolbox, I'm at work right now. There it is, it's in the bag. You see, these are pretty thin. Get some light in here. There's extra wires that come in the kit. Comes with a little ring, secure the pump, some zip ties, extra wire. Came with a harness I ended up cutting to take the ground wire off of. Comes with some spade ends on it. But yeah, so this is the factory ground wire compared to the one I changed it out for. I cut the end off, heat shrinked it to the OEM spade on the end because I didn't have one to go on it. Same with the power wire. So, got an O-ring up here. And when I took the basket apart, sorry, I live in EE country, you got the trucks. There was not an O-ring on this right here. When I put it together, fuel just kept up and out. Excuse my coworker. So I figure it should be an O-ring that goes in here. So I'm gonna put this one in here because it's just like stepped. Like it may have fallen out when I took it apart and I didn't notice it. So I'll put this on here. So I'm gonna throw this back together and I'll check back in with you. Alright guys, so we got it back together. I did the GoPro, I did a little time lapse of assembling it. These wires, the power wire is supposed to go down the side of the pump and come back up out of here and then go down. This one is thicker now. I didn't like the way it was bending. It was kind of the hard bend coming out of here. It was squeezed next to the pump down in there. So you can see it. You can get to the light. Yeah, it's tight fit down in there. So I brought it back here. Excuse my toolbox, I'm at work. We certified around here. But yeah, so we got this all together. And we're gonna take it back over to the fuel tank. I'm gonna clean this area up real good, and we will put this pump back in, and I will try it out when I get home after work today. So hopefully this fixes my issue. I get back to riding this coming race season. I missed a lot of events this year. So yeah, thanks for watching.
I just stay with the wind, grass, designer at the toe, chains is leaking off my shoulders. Finished those separate, then they ask me for an encore. Every step is serious, I play my life on hardcore. They'll leave you for an upgrade. What you be by bros? much for? If I can't get my gun in here.